Meaning of FTC.
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 FTC. FTC stands for the Federal Trade Commission, which is an independent agency of the U.S. government that aims to promote consumer protection and eliminate anti-competitive business practices. The agency is responsible for enforcing federal antitrust and consumer protection laws and ensuring that businesses comply with these laws. Its duties include investigating and prosecuting companies that engage in deceptive or unfair business practices, protecting consumers from fraud and scams, and promoting competition in the marketplace. The FTC plays a crucial role in maintaining a fair and open economy and safeguarding the rights of American consumers.